Hello friends, welcome to Morenchi, and in today's video we are going to do the unboxing of Universal Mobile Stand from X Store. So let's get started. The stand has a lazy mount with multifunctional clip. The device holding range can reach up to 70 cm. Also, the mobile holder has a precise cut alongside for charging cable. Weight of this particular stand is approx 320 grams. So in the box we get a very simple packing, nothing else. Frankly, I was expecting little better packing considering the price point of this particular model. This is our invoice. Let's keep it aside. So here is a stand wrapped in just a plastic bag. Let's open it. One thing to note is that the mobile holder comes with a ball joint which allow it to rotate approximately by 360 degree. So this is our stand. Oops. It's quite heavy as a first impression. Some leaflets. Let's check out the mobile holder. Quite good. A screw at the back. The documentation talks about installation step and how to screw the base. Another one with QR code and video link. At the back they are asking for 5-star rating. Frankly, such documentation should not be there and they should fully rely on their product quality. Let's see the mobile holder. It's extensible from one end, quite good. At the back we see a ball joint. Stand quality is very good. As you can see, I need to apply a hell lot of force to get it extended. This is a ball joint. It will go into the mobile holder. We need to first unscrew it. And it will just get inserted and screw it back. So as you can see, the motion is quite good because of the ball joint, and it's not a free flow but looks sturdy. At the base where it's get more interesting, it is not a regular clip mechanism how you get with such a budget oriented mobile holders. So you get something like a screw mechanism. You need to unscrew it and then the bottom will lift up and you can adjust it as per your need. So let's see how far it goes. So it's quite good, ample amount of space, will fit any table easily. So here is our stand. So this is how it will look when we connect all the components. Now let's see it in action after putting it on a table. So here how you need to put it. You need to unscrew the base, lift up the base, upper part of the component. There are two rubber straps or rubber supports, so it will not scratch your table or so. Just hold it tight once inserted and just screw it back. You can feel the force, how much tight you need to get the firm grip, and that's done. No wobbling, nothing, very sturdy. So this is our mobile holder with rubber pads on both the sides for firm grip, and it will also protect our device from scratches. Let's now check out how to mount a device. So as you see, it is extensible at only one end, not on other. Okay, so we need to make a note of that. Now to put a device, you need to put it with its full length, because this particular stand is designed for tablets also. So this is how you will put your device. So after adjustment, as you can see, there is a space to operate at least the camera. Not much, but at least for once you put the camera, at least you can start and stop the video. So this is how you can set it up for students to attend online classes from home in current COVID era. Very helpful. It can also be used as a stand to watch mobile in both portrait and in landscape mode. This mobile holder is well built and we have not observed any type of wobbles during our usage. Best feature of this particular universal mobile holder is its stand. It's not a regular clamp style like other one in same budget and should be good in long run. One should also note that the lazy arm is quite robust and it's not easy to move it very frequently. So this might be the negative point for someone else. This particular piece is good. So that's it. This is overall unboxing and first impression about universal mobile holder from Xstore. If you find it helpful, do hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.